Introduction to AI Task Predictive Scheduling in ClickUp.
ClickUp's AI Task Predictive Scheduling is a powerful feature that helps you manage projects more efficiently. It predicts how long tasks will take and automatically reschedules them based on real-time updates. This guide will walk you through setting up and using these AI-powered tools, making task management smarter and helping your team stay on track.
Accessing AI features in ClickUp.
To get started, ensure you have access to ClickUp's AI features. These are usually available on certain plan levels. Head to your workspace settings and look for the AI or Automations section. Enable predictive scheduling if it's not active. Make sure your tasks have start dates, due dates, and time estimates for the AI to work effectively.
Setting up predictive scheduling on tasks.
Open a task you want to automate. Find the predictive scheduling option in the task settings or the AI panel. Turn it on for that task. The system will analyze historical data, team performance, and current workload to estimate more accurate timelines. If a task duration or priority changes, the AI will suggest new schedules or automatically adjust them.
Automatic rescheduling and suggestions.
Once predictive scheduling is enabled, ClickUp will monitor progress and update tasks as needed. If you miss a deadline or a project takes longer than expected, the AI reschedules upcoming tasks automatically. Notifications and suggestions appear in the activity feed, helping you quickly review and approve changes or make manual adjustments if needed.
Tips for getting the best results.
Accurate data is key. Make sure your tasks include relevant details like time estimates and dependencies. Regularly update task statuses so the AI can learn from your workflow. Use the dashboard to track performance over time and adjust your processes as needed. This will help ClickUp's predictive scheduling feature become even more helpful as your team grows.
Wrapping up and next steps.
AI Task Predictive Scheduling in ClickUp can transform how you manage projects by taking the guesswork out of timelines. Start by enabling the feature, keep your tasks updated, and review AI suggestions regularly. Explore more advanced options in ClickUp's documentation or Help Center to get the most out of your workspace.